If you ever wondered why visualization isn't working for you, why affirmations aren't working for you, why law of attraction and manifestation techniques that you tried online aren't working for you, then you will have answers to all those questions in this masterclass. Not just that, we will do a manifestation experiment. If you have never experienced manifestation, then this experiment will help you experience the magic of manifestation. As a part of this masterclass, you will have access to manifestation audios and workbooks for free that you can download using the link provided below. Now let's start by understanding why you need to manifest. What's the need? What's the purpose? Why can't you just work towards something and achieve it? Let's say this is you in the center and that's your goal. Now your life presents you with various opportunities. Some lead to your goals and some don't. Some people will doubt all the opportunities presented and don't take any action. They are doubters, they will never succeed. Some will see the negative side of every opportunity, complain about it and don't take any action. They are complainers, they will not succeed too. Some will see the positive side of every opportunity, still don't take any action, saying that they will do it tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. They are procrastinators. Some will try out an opportunity and if they fail at it, they give up. They are losers. Some will not give up, they go try another opportunity but still keep struggling to make their ends meet in wrong direction even if it's not leading to their goals. They are strugglers. They will keep struggling all their life. Some will satisfy themselves and settle for less in wrong direction. They are settlers. Some will overcome those obstacles by trying in various directions every time they face a challenge until they reach their goal. They are hustlers. They will succeed for sure, but it's challenging and takes time to succeed. Maybe a lifetime, and it comes with lot of compromises, maybe in health or relationship, and they feel it's not worth it end of the day. And there are some who would have picked the most optimal path to reach their goal in the very first attempt itself. We call them lucky. But you can't get lucky every time. However, you can choose the most optimal path to reach your destination and achieve your goals by being in the right place at the right time with right people picking right opportunities. That's what manifestors do. That's why you need to manifest. Otherwise, you will end up being a hustler, hustling all your life to achieve your goals. And this applies to all areas of life. In job, maybe you're settling for less, or even worse, trying to make your ends meet. In business, maybe you picked a wrong idea and still hustling. In relationship, maybe you picked a wrong person and still struggling. In health, maybe you picked a wrong treatment and settled for it. For wealth, maybe you invested in wrong places and lost it. Invested at the wrong time or exited at the wrong time. All successful people were successful because they were in the right place at the right time with right people and picked right opportunities. Google wasn't the first search engine, but they started at the right time. Facebook wasn't the only social network when they launched, but they had the right investors. Apple wasn't the only company working on smartphones, but they had right people like Steve Jobs. Warren Buffett isn't the only smart investor, but he spotted right opportunities at the right time to invest. It's not just about hard work or talent. All blue-collar workers work the hardest. I hold great respect towards them for the hard work they do, but still, no one is a millionaire. Artists, singers and musicians on streets are way more talented than the contestants who win reality shows. So it's about being in the right place at the right time with right people and pick right opportunities. That's what manifestation can help you do. Manifestation is not about pushing hard or hustling. It's about attracting, pulling what you want towards you. Now that you understand why you need to manifest, comment down below what you want to manifest. Whether it's money, job promotion, business growth, house, moving abroad, visa approvals, or manifesting a specific person or an ideal life partner in relationship. Anything that you feel is out of reach at the moment. I'll see you in the next video.